Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brawl Stars codes. These special codes are released by Supercell to give players free in-game items, ranging from cosmetic skins and pins to valuable coins and gems. Understanding how these codes work is essential for maximizing your free rewards. We will cover the three primary types: store codes, QR codes, and creator codes, detailing how each one functions and where you can find them. Redeeming store codes is straightforward. Simply visit the official Supercell store website. Log in with your Supercell ID, then locate the Enter Code section at the bottom of the page to input your code. For QR codes, use your phone's camera or a scanning app to scan the image. This will typically open Brawl Stars directly, automatically granting your rewards, which often include player icons, pins, or even crusty cash. Creator codes are a fantastic way to support your favorite Brawl Stars content creators. To use one, open the game, go to the shop, and scroll to the Content Creator Boost section. Enter your chosen creator's code there. While these codes do not give you direct free rewards, a small portion, typically around 5%, of your in-game purchases will go to that creator, helping them continue making great content. To find new codes, regularly check official Brawl Stars social media channels and participate in special in-game events. Many content creators also share codes during live streams or giveaways. Remember, be extremely cautious of websites or generators promising huge amounts of free gems or rare brawlers. These are often scams. Always verify the source of any code to ensure your account remains safe and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.